Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can get Veinminer for Minecraft 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Google, then you need to look for Veinminer and click the moderate link. And then go to versions, and then select a data pack and game version 26.1. Right, press download. Once it's downloaded here, you need to open up Minecraft launcher, and then you can go to vanilla or fabric loader. It really doesn't matter. And here you need you need to go to single player, and I will create new world. For example, Veinminer. Okay, and then go to more data packs, and then you need to just drag and drop the Veinminer to here. So just drag and drop it. Yes, and then make sure it's on selected side, right? And then you need to just launch that particular world. And then you just need to find some ores. I will change my game mode to game mode survival, right? And then as you can see here, all the ores now is in my inventory, right? So as you can see here, the mod is fully working. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.